Hello everyone, welcome to my new room. I'm just like trying to check the background, make sure there's nothing incriminating that'll get me in trouble, but I think we're good other than like my big mess. I don't know if you guys, what was that? I don't know what that was. I haven't talked for like what feels like a really long time. Actually, I haven't spoken on here since I broke my arm. I'll give you a little flashback of that while I'm talking. So this is my new room. My roommates moved out in March. It's actually the start of April right now. So they moved out in March. They're on a little road trip at the moment, and we swapped bedrooms, and their bedroom is so nice. Well, my bedroom is so nice, but yeah, it has an extra window compared to our last one because it's right on the corner. So I feel like it's so much brighter, and I feels like I've got more space, and it was just like the perfect little refresh that I needed for the winter season. So that's super exciting. I might show you more later, but I just wanted to do like a little check-in because I don't think I'll be able to post a video for a while because I'm just a busy gal. But I just wanted to check in because yes, it's April, which is crazy. We're literally in spring. I don't even know the dates of when winter and everything even is, but I just know that to me winter was like December, January. Oh yeah, right? No, is that right? January, February, March? December, January, February. Is it the same as everywhere? I don't know. Basically, obviously winter, and then now we're in spring, so it's still like snowy and whatever, and it's now like spring skiing, so it's like less cold, and yeah, it's been good. It's still snowing here, which is cool. Like literally every day, you never know what the weather will bring, which is like a whole other thing that I'm going to talk about later. But basically every morning you never know what you're going to get. Sometimes it's snowy. The other day was like 7 degrees, which was really crazy. But now it's back down to like 0 or like -5 or whatever. So it's still very cold. I'm still wearing like 2 jackets and pants and boots and all that. But it is going amazing. Every month is different. Every day is different. Obviously there's still the mundaneness of going to work 5 days a week. We're never going to be able to avoid that, obviously, but there are many special things happening all the time. So I've gone back to snowboarding now, and my hand is doing much better. That was a weird little movement that I did, but basically yeah, my hand's doing amazing. Got my rings and Fitbit back on. I'm just basically myself again. Actually, randomly, it's so funny that I'm wearing a high pony today because I feel like every video ever I'm in a high pony, but actually I haven't worn a high pony all the winter because I'm always wearing a beanie, and then at work I wear this freaking hat. So it's actually so funny that I'm looking like my normal self right now. I'm even wearing the same makeup I used to because it's my day off, but I'm going to work at Maryland's, which is like a little bar restaurant-y kind of thing in the village. So that's why I'm looking like my normal self. It's actually freaking me out because I'm who am I today? I haven't looked like this in so long. But it's good. What was I saying? Yeah, I've been snowboarding again. I'm still definitely a beginner, obviously, because it's me. I was never built for snowboarding, obviously. That was never a doubt in my mind that I would be shit at snowboarding, but I have been out there once a week for the last 5 or so weeks, which is super cool, and I'm getting better and more confident, and I'm hoping to get a few more days in before Whistler Mountain closes, and then after that we have a month where just Blackcomb is open, which is where I work, and I'm going to try and snowboard on there, which will be fun because it won't be a beginner area. It'll be a legit area. It'll be the mountain, bro. I'm going to be on the mountain. That's obviously great. There's some people that are currently leaving. I've had to say goodbye to a few people, which is just the crazy thing ever, because it's oh my god, I see you every day, and then now wow, I thought I was dizzy, but actually the tree outside is just moving, so that's quite good. People are leaving. It's so, yeah, it's a weird feeling. It's I'm kind of sad, kind of mad, kind of why did I do this to myself? It's just kind of depressing that you've made all these lovely connections with people, and then you're okay, bye forever. There's some people that I know I'll see again, which is not as sad. I'm not as sad about that, although I'll probably still be sad when I have to say goodbye. But I had to say goodbye to one person that I probably won't ever see again. He's going back to Australia, and we live in opposite sides of the country, so yeah, that's a little bit sad. But it's not about the future. It's about enjoying what we have. And I definitely didn't imagine that I would make this many connections with people and that I would feel so close to this many people and have the experiences that I have. So that's a very cool thing that I get to live. And yeah, it works great. I don't know if I told you, I got promoted once and then I got promoted again, so now I'm like supervisor of the kitchen, which is like very cool, which is basically what I did back home. End of May is when we close a mountain. There was a mountain closed, or just our restaurant, I don't know, anyway. But I won't work for like 2 weeks, I think, and then we'll head into summer, and drum roll, we are staying in Whistler, which is like super exciting. Obviously, originally I was like, I'm getting a van and I'm like living in the mountains and not working. But now I'm like, bruh, we'll just stay at Whistler. It's much more convenient for us, and I'm super excited just to see like this place in summer, because I feel like I barely got to explore it all. We're hopefully getting a car soon, and I'm very excited for like more opportunity to be able to just drive around and see more things. It'll be much more accessible, I guess. And my plan for summer is, I'm not sure about work, like if I will stay at the same place, I'm like not too fussed. My main priorities is just like, I really want my time off to go to festivals. I'm booked in for Shambhala, Base Canyon and Lost Lands, so that's my priority in summer. I don't, if they want to fire me, I don't care. I'll be at my festival, so that's that. And in terms of like my bucket list stuff, I want to be hiking more and being out more and swimming, and like I just want to do all the things. That's really, that's more me anyway. Like I obviously was super excited to come here in winter and to try snowboarding, but like obviously I'm not the most athletic person. I was more here for the vibes, and I've definitely achieved that. But there's still so many things that I want to accomplish while I'm here, and just spend more time getting a little bit more wholesome would be really good. And yeah, I don't know, I'm losing track now. I feel like that's a pretty good update. Obviously I'm missing everyone. We were getting homesick for a little bit, and we're like organizing when we're going to come home, because like originally we were like, we're never going home, like we're getting PR. And now like maybe we'll still get PR, like we're going to try in next winter. But I want to come home. I definitely want to come home and see everyone, and just, I don't know, my whole life plan is still like wide open. Like I have no plans. I have nothing. Everyone's like, what are you doing? I was like, I don't know. I'm just vibing. I am just vibing. Obviously I know this Whistler lifestyle is like not a forever lifestyle. Rendezvous is not a forever job, but it's an experience, and that's exactly what I was here for, just to fucking shake shit up, bro. We are shaking it up like no tomorrow. And my priority was always festivals, and I've got to experience Canada, not experience Canada, but like I really wanted to travel to Canada, and like obviously check that off the list. I saw a freaking bear the other day, like an actual bear. Like I am living in the thick of it. So yeah, good times ahead, good times have been. I'm still in shock that like winter's almost over. It feels like I literally just got here yesterday, and now we're like, everyone's like, oh my god, you got here ages ago. And I'm like, did I? Because this is all freaking new to me, bro. This is like, yeah, I'm obviously speechless, as you can tell. But yeah, I've got to go to work now. I have major plans of videos coming up. I definitely want to do like a day in a life. I've been taking some clips of that. It'll be like a day in a life, but actually it's going to be over many days, because like the odds of me getting a full-on video in one day is just like impossible. It's just so busy all the time. Even when we're meant to be quiet, I'm just so busy. But that is coming. I've got lots of sit-down chats organized when I have more time. And yeah, I'm obviously always getting content, always filming what I'm up to, and just, yeah, I want to make the most of my time here and be able to showcase that on this channel, so that y'all can see. I think my like Whistler vlogs and Whistler videos have been doing really well, because people are coming over here for summer, and then I'll be coming over here next winter, and I want to share as much as I can to as many people as I can. And this video is actually more for like my friends and family that are curious on how I'm doing, because I've been kind of distant the months and days are just flying like crazy. So yeah, anyway, thank you for watching. I hope that helps. I hope you enjoyed that little update, and I hope to see you soon. See ya.